Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Apple Intelligence not working on iPhone. First, make sure that your iPhone has iOS 18.0 or later version. To check this, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Here, tap on Software Update. Here you can find it. If you are not using the latest version, make sure to update it. Check compatibility. Apple Intelligence is available on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and all iPhone 16 series. However, if you have an older iPhone like the iPhone 14 or iPhone 15 Plus, unfortunately, Apple Intelligence isn't supported on those devices. Check regional availability. Unfortunately, Apple Intelligence isn't available everywhere. It's not supported in the European Union or China. But if you are in the EU, you can try changing your region and language. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Language and Region. Set your region to the United States. Tap on Region. Set your region to the United States and choose English. United States as your language. Wait for your device to apply these changes. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.